Hi everyone, Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, and I just tried to paint on it and do a Dutch pour, and it didn't work, so now I'm about to swipe it. So I'm using my spatula to do that. I have black, white and gold, and in the white I have some silicone and some isopropyl. So I'm just going to see how this goes. I'll get that out of the way and put that straight up. Okay, so I had quite a lot of paint on there, but it's coming along rather nicely. But this side I might see about doing some patterning. It's really quite pretty. The recipes for the paints and pouring medium you'll find below. Show more under the video. And this is looking good. Better than that other thing. I think I'll just have to live with the fact that Dutch pours and I do not get along and be done with it. That's all there is about it. Okay, some more white up in there. How good is this? This is looking really nice. Maybe some white over here. Just bring that down. Yeah. And I'm not messing with that. I'm very happy with how that is. That's I might just do this because I've got a couple of dribble marks here. Okay, just get rid of those. And I'm going to torch that. As you can see, I've already got some rather nice cells happening. Is over here. That is really nice. Oops, stand up please, there you go. Okay, so let me see here, where's my knife? Take some of this, bring it down. Go away butterfly. Righto. And there we have it. Done. I'll bring you down now to take a look and see what you think. I just have to take out, that's what I've been looking at. And I'm glad I decided to start again with this one. And as you can see, I'll see if I can keep myself out of there, no shadows. That is spectacular. The gold is really nice. So, I do hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give it the thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. There's my washing machine finished. And thank you very much for watching. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.